Hi everyone, this video is to share how to configure the ACL feature on Maipu devices. This is my demo top log. The IP of the laptop is 1.1.1 and the IP of the testing device is 1.1.2. And later on I will change the PBID of the port A from VLAN 1 to VLAN 3. And before I start to do the configuration, I need to share something. The number from 1 to 1000 is IP standard ACL, and the number from 1001 to 2000 is the IP extended ACL, and the number from 2001 to 3000 is the MAC standard ACL, and the number from 3001 to 4000 is a MAC extended ACL. And of course, the ACL name can be numbered or customized. And if we want to do the configuration, is very easy. It just needs two steps. The first step is to create a new ACL. It can be standard or extended ACL, or it can be IP access list or MAC access list, and the rule can be permit or deny, and the default action is deny. And the ACL can be used with time range. The second step is to apply the ACL, and the ACL can be applied on the layer 2 port, layer 3 port, and under the VLAN. And the ACL can be applied at two directions, in and out. Okay, now I will start to do the configuration example. Okay. Now I have looked to the testing device through the console cable, and now it's the user mode. Input the enable to get into the privilege mode, and input configure terminal to get into the global configuration mode. And here create a new VLAN 3, and add it into the port A, switch port access VLAN 3. Then we use the command show VLAN to show the results. We can say it works. And then we need to configure the interface VLAN if interface VLAN 3 IP address 1.1.1.2. The net mask is 24. Okay, then we use command show IP interface graph to show the IP info of the layer 3 port. We can say the IP is 1.1.2. Now we use the CMD of the laptop to do the pin test pin 1.1.2. We can see it works. Okay, we use the command ipconfig to choose the IP of the laptop. It's 1.1.1.1. Okay, we do the pin test once more. We can see it works. Okay. Now I will start to configure the MP access list. Firstly, I will create a standard IP ACL. Okay, IP access list. Here we can say we can choose standard or extended. Here I create the standard. here I use the name rather than the number. Okay, the name is demo, and here we can select wait, I'm sorry, just here we can configure permit rule or deny rule, and for ACL the default action is deny. Okay, remember this. Here I configure permit host 1.1.1.1, and here we can ban the time range or not do it. And here I do it. I create a new time range. Okay, time range. Here the time range name is time. Okay, and here I create a periodic and daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, and here we continue to configure the IP access. This IP access list standard demo permit host 1.1.1.1, and binding the time range. The name is tab. Okay. Now then we use command show IP access list to show the status of the IP access list. We can say it's uncommitted. Yeah, it's just because here there is an alarm. We need to input the command commit to make the IP access list active. So we have to do it. Here we just need to enter the command commit. Okay, now we show the status once again to IP access list. You can say it's active. Now we do the sixth step, apply the ACL. As we know, we can apply the ACL on the layer 2 port, layer 3 port, and on the VLAN, right? Now firstly we apply it at the layer 2 port. Okay. IP access list, IP access group. Here we use the name is demo, and the direction is bin. Okay, now we do the ping test from the laptop. Ping 1.1.1.2. You can see it works, right? And now we change the IP of the laptop. We change it as 1.1.1.3. Okay. Then we can see the result is request timeout. If we see the result is request timeout, it means the ACL is working. And now cancel the ACL on the layer 2 interface. You can see after I cancel the IP access on the layer 2 in layer 2 port, the IP is reachable. Okay. Now we conflict it. We apply the ACL on the layer 3 port. Interface VLAN 3 IP access group demo in. Okay, we can see it's not reachable between the laptop and the testing device after I apply the ACL on the layer 3 port. Right? Now I cancel it. Here we can see it the network is recovered. Okay, and then we apply the ACL under the VLAN. Okay, IP access group group demo, and the direction is in. Okay, we can see the result is request timeout. Okay. Okay, now I will cancel it. Okay, you can see the network is recovered. IP access. And now I will do the configuration example of the IP extended ACL. Okay. Now I need to delete the standard ACL and no IP. Yeah, the ACL has been deleted. Now I will create a new extended ACL IP access list extended. Okay, the name is demo2, and here we use the permit rule. Okay, permit IP host wando permit here we the source is permit IP host wando1 and the destination is any here, and here we can ban the time range or not. Here I won't do it. Okay, and use command commit. We can make it active. Then we show the status of IP extended ACL to IP access. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now we apply the ACL. The IP extended ACL can be applied layer 2, layer 3 port and the VLAN. Here I just on this video I just apply the ACL on the layer 2 port. Okay. Get into the layer 2 port and the IP access group. IP access and here I'm sorry, before before apply the ACL, we need to check the IP. We can see it's reachable between the laptop and the testing device. Okay, now we apply the IP extended ACL, IP access group, demo in. Okay, we can see the result is request timeout. It means the IP extended ACL is working. Okay, now I will. Okay, here I will cancel the ACL on the layer 2 port. Okay, you can see the network is recovered. And now I will do the third one, the MAC standard ACL. And here, create a new MAC access list rule. MAC access list standard. The demo. The name is. Here we use a number. The number is 2001. And here we permit, and here we configure the permit rule. Okay, permit the source host, permit host. Permit the host. It's 00E0.468.0.5E5. Here we can find the time range or not. Here I won't do it. Okay, and enter the commit. Okay. Now we choose the MAC access list status to MAC access list. Okay, and before we apply the MAC standard ACL, we check the IP reachable. We can see the network is IP reachable. Okay. And here my laptop has two Ethernet network ports, and these two ports has a different MAC address, so I will move the Ethernet cable from one to another one. Okay. And now we use the command IP config to get the IP. We can say it's oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's check the result once again. We can see the IP is 1.1.1.1.4. Okay. And the MAC address is totally different. Okay. It's 512, it's 54, or 5db73, F2, E. Okay. Now we do the pin test. Pin 1.1.1.2. You can see it works. Okay. Now we apply the MAC standard ACL. Of course, the MAC standard ACL can be applied at layer 2 port, layer 3 port, and under the VLAN. Here I will apply it at the layer 2 port. Okay. Get into the port A. Get into the port A. Get into the port A and MAC access group is number 2001 and direction B. Okay. You can see the result is a request timeout. It means the MAC standard ACL is working. Okay. Now we cancel the MAC ACL. Okay. You can see after I cancel the MAC standard ACL on the layer 2 port, the network is recovered. And here I will create the fourth one, the MAC extended ACL IP MAC address MAC access MAC access list. Here we select the extended and the number is 371, and here we permit host and the MAC is this one. Okay. And the destination MAC is any. And here we can bind in the VLAN ID, type range, course, SNet type, layer 2 action group, EGR action group. Here I won't bind anything. And enter the command commit to make the MAC extended ACL active. Then we use the command show MAC access list to check the status of the MAC access list. Here, this one, extended ACL. Now I will apply the extended ACL. Here I will apply it on the layer 3 port. Okay. Interface VLAN 3 and MAC access group. Sensor 1 and I'm sorry. And the direction is in. Okay. You can see when I apply the MAC ACL, the result is request timeout. Okay. Now I will cancel it. Okay, we can see the network is recovery. And here I will apply it at the under the VLAN. Okay, MAC access list group and 2001 and the direction is in. Okay, we can see the result is The result is request timeout. You can see it means the MAC ACL is working. Okay, I will cancel it. Okay, now the network is recovered. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any question, just leave comment here. Thanks for your watching.